Dr. Armandre, Mrs. Armandre, Dr. Rathore, Mrs. Rathore, my friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I do feel that I should have done more time, no doubt about it, South Eastern Railway, and roamed about Bada Bazaar along with you. That is how I came to know Kolkata. My first visit to Kolkata was seeing Bada Bazaar because I had a friend there and he hosted me. I stayed in his house. For a Jaipur person coming all the way to Kolkata for the first time was an experience because at that time there were too many things going on in the mind. And still, like any other youngster who joins an organization, the same thing was happening in my mind. Let me explore and see what it is all about. And that's how I landed here. And I took a red bus, a small bus, civil transport. That's why I came to Garden Hills. Went to the office of the Deputy CPOG and he said, you can go to the CF's office. And that was the first instance which impressed me. The CF's office, which is at present is General Manager's residence. And the walk, it was on the first floor, the chamber of the CMO, called CMO. And I had to climb that, wooden stairs, very impressive, really stairs. And when I went there, of course, Dr. Goswami was not there in his chamber, but the ACMO was there, Dr.
Ghosh.
Dr. James Ghosh.
James Ghosh.
V.D. Mathur.
V.D. Mathur.
I always like that because that is how the destiny is sometimes. You plan things and something else happens. And I found V.D. Mathur sitting there. I didn't know him at that time. And when he said, "Kahan se aa rahe ho?" Jaipur se aa rahe ho. Kahan se padhai ki SMS se? Oh, like the whole thing changed because he was also from the same college, a very senior, of course, to me. But like everyone has that feeling of kinship. He was so welcoming that I had to stay. So I stayed, I joined, and underwent those 2 weeks of training. And during lunchtime, I used to have that caramel pudding. I still remember that. Do you still get that caramel pudding in the GM's office, in the canteen?
Yeah.
Ab kharab ho gaya, he's saying, not good.
Officers.
But every day I used to have that because that was really very nice and very cheap also. I think we used to take only $5 or something like that time. Then, of course, after a couple of days, I was in the OT in Garden Ridge, and Dr. Goswami walked in. And where is the new doctor? And that time I used to have very long hair and dressed in, little different way. And then he said, "Hero." I had it, I said. When the CMO calls, like when the boss calls you, hero means you're gone. You're like, really, that's the end of the road maybe. Then said, I joined after 1 year actually, after selection. I didn't join immediately after the selection, all joined, but I was late in joining because of certain reasons. And then I told him the reason that, so my mother-in-law had, she was asthmatic and she was not well. And he says, I said, what happened to her? Why was she sick? I said, she had fibrosis alveolitis. So he looked at me and says, how can you diagnose it? It's a histopathology. So it is presumed that she is having that. I must listen, I am not a physician, right? And I knew that because it was discussed in the hospital in Jaipur. And he asked the right questions, so I was able to give the right answer, and that is the only answer I knew. But then, and he was so impressed by that, that after that I think I was always on his right side, and that made a lot of difference. Because all said and done, your career path is not only your career path. Your career path is also involves many people around you, including your family member, your colleagues, and your bosses. You just can't change it. And all said and done, unless and until all of them match, there is going to be turbulence and some problems. I was lucky that the takeoff was good. I was lucky that though I got married to Rashmi because I was in SMS assistant lecturer and the parents thought कि ये तो जयपुर में रहने वाला है इसलिए चलो ठीक है हाँ बोल दिया, right? But within couple of years of marriage we left Jaipur. In 1 year, okay, not couple, only 1 year. And not only left Jaipur, we were transplanted from an area. You know, Jaipur is like a pink city of India, right? It's desert, but still it is like structured greenery is there. Everything is different. People are different, and it's very colorful. And I don't know how many of you actually gone to Jaipur, but I think by now all must have visited Jaipur. Very colorful. I mean, things are like artistic things and all. There are folk song, everything, all said and done. Maybe because I studied there, I feel like that, but I think that's true. And then when you arrive in Bilaspur, where it rains very hard, there's so many mosquitoes, the houses are different, damp, right? People are different. Then suddenly, and you know, it's always, we felt like a dark kind of situation. And the first takeoff was, should we go back? Right? Like any other youngster. But I think we had people around us which kind of made path for us. In Bilaspur, I had a very good friend of mine who is a practicing surgeon there. They picked us up from the station and took us home. Stayed with them. When you get such a homely environment, you feel good. Hospital was there was some problem in that hospital in Bilaspur. Some RPF person had pointed a gun against the senior MS because of some event there, and there was absolutely a negative kind of environment there. But when I joined, and then I was the only surgeon out of the senior MS, and I was supposed to not do any surgery at all. The instruction was don't do any surgery, refer all the cases. It lasted for a month. But after that, somehow the DRM was then on my right side, right? And because of that, started working, and that's how the things started improving. There were some accidents, again, very small incidents. Accident at Chirumeri. You all know where is Chirumeri, okay? There was an accident there, and I think there was maybe a month old or something. No, not a month, 2 weeks old in South Eastern Railway. And order was proceed. So I proceeded along with the DSO and just proceeded, right? घर से निकले, order आया, ट्रेन में बैठ के चल दिए, वहाँ से फुट प्लेटिंग करते ऊपर पहुँच गए. सुबह के निकले, वहाँ पे 2-3 बजे पहुँचे. तब तक तो पेशेंट सब भर्ती हो गए थे, तब देखा वगैरह and all that. And after that, didn't know what to do. Then instructions were asked. Then senior MS asked, sir, क्या करना है? Because the orders were of CMO to proceed, not the senior MS. कलकत्ता से order कहते चाहिए. बोले जब तक आखिरी पेशेंट डिस्चार्ज नहीं होगा, he will stay there. I said fine. फिर न कपड़े थे, न टूथब्रश था, कुछ भी नहीं था. Talking about 1983, right? Then she got worried कि मेरे husband कहाँ चले गए, बिना बताए और कोई ना phone ना कुछ. She rang up the senior MS. Where is my husband? He said, don't you know? Call wall नहीं आया, वो तो वहाँ पे रहने वाले हैं. I think she can tell her part of the story, but what I realized, she was so tense that she got annoyed also, right? And then somehow I got a phone call again from Dr. Goswami through all the auto exchange, that manual exchange, right? तो Chirumeri, ये तुमने हर बात नहीं किया. मैंने कहा नहीं किया. You are supposed to ring up home, और तुम ऐसे ही चले आए. And I think the whole bag of my clothes and toothpaste and toothbrush started from Bilaspur and reached Chirumeri And I was again kind of awed by the situation that look at the complication, look at the relationship of a person who is sitting in Calcutta is looking after me in Chirmiri. I mean, can you imagine any organization like this which can really, I don't know whether I was a special person to be looked after that, but I feel I was not special. I was one of the doctors, nothing new about it, but it was there. I spent 7 days there eating chicken every night in that doctor's house and sleeping on the sofa. But that was an experience itself. And then we hurtled down after that in the steam engine, only engine, single engine, without any engine at the tender. I don't know how many of you have gone on a steam engine, hurtling down on a downgrade, right? Full speed ahead. And you are sitting on that legs, holding on to everything, and the whole thing is shaking, right? It's a roller coaster ride of those days. We pay for roller coaster rides nowadays, but that was free, right? And so thrilling. And the guys were absolutely, those loco pilots were so, yeah, all alloys, you know, they're just pumping coal inside. And speeding now, I said, this is a downgrade. वो अपने आप जाएगी गाड़ी नीचे. Why are you doing it? नहीं सर, आपको जल्दी पहुंचाना है. अरे भाई, ऊपर मत पहुंचा देना तब तक ठीक है. But again, that was one more experience which helped me to really kind of, I will say, fashion my path on the Indian Railways. I will say South Eastern Railway was one which laid down the foundation for me, and a very solid foundation, because this was one railway which had maximum work. Like I said, that all your junior posting till J grade, you should do it South Eastern. And then when you become senior, SAG, then you go to Western Railway. Because वहाँ कोई काम नहीं है, right? अगर उल्टा हो गया, that means till J grade you are working in Western Railway, and then you senior, if you come here, then you will become non-performer. You just cannot, you can absorb that stress. So that is how it was. And one more thing, I mean, I am just citing it because we found it very interesting, and we actually laugh on this situation also. In Bilaspur, one general manager was Yazarum Singh. He used to have good lavish dinners, and the dinner used to last till 12 o'clock in the night. And during that, we used to actually, while proceeding to dinner, we used to go to a joint, have some dosa or something like that, eat some pakoda, and then go for the dinner. Because we were sure dinner आएगा 11 बजे रात को, right? So we were prepared for that. But one of those, his visit, that was GM special. Again, Dr. Goswami was there, and we were all ready to go to Nagpur that night after the dinner. And then he says at 11:30, Doctor, I'm thinking you are going to accompany me. At 11:30 in the night, I said, उस टाइम तो स्कूटर कुछ नहीं होता था ना, I mean, you know, we were really handicapped. मैंने कहा, हम नागपुर जा रहे हैं, तो बोले नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, cancel the program, you come. So what will happen to her? Where will she? अकेले छोड़ के कहाँ? I thought he will say, ये भी चलेगी. He didn't say that. He said, no, he called someone, look after her. Each and half an hour, dinner was over, जल्दी से स्टेशन आई है. घर गए, सूटकेस उठाया और चल दी. सूटकेस जिसमें दोनों के कपड़े पैक थे. Can you imagine you are going to official with ladies' clothes inside your suitcase, right? You can't even open that suitcase in front of anyone. पहुंचे वहाँ पे तो ट्रेन खड़ी थी, पूरा सुनसान. Only one person was standing out. Still don't know. I don't remember the name of the doctor. It was a cardiologist or something, physician in Garden Reach. Who used to accompany Dr. Goswami when the GM special moved. And he was standing out in front of the first AC, and the whole train was waiting for me. So I was really impressed. I said, wow, I mean, I'm so important, right? You know? And that first AC का berth वगैरह मिला सोने के लिए. As a DMO who was hardly 1 year old in the railways, can you imagine something like happening to you? It was as if it was a dream actually. And then having breakfast and lunch in that pantry car, it was a dining car. आजकल तो dining car चला गया है. सिर्फ मेरे ख्याल से Palace on Wheel में मिलता है वो. But that dining car with waiters serving food and all that, and train is moving. It was as if Disney in Wonderland क्या होता ना, something like that. And Disney Wonderland टाइप ही चलता रहा. और गोस्वामी जी हमें पास में बिठा के whole GM special, a youngster like me, undergoing that GM special was really very special. I think that converted my mind. I could do my professional work very well. People used to really respect me for that. I mean, how good or bad surgeon I was at didn't matter actually, but I was always available. Somehow I was able to maintain a very good relationship with people working around me, not only doctors, but also other officers and the staff. And a divisional hospital like Bilaspur, which had only one OT, and where you have to scrub inside that OT, and the anesthetist will give anesthesia and then come and then assist you. And one ward boy is handling the patient, and you are going inside the gallbladder somewhere, and you are going here and there. At the same time, you are sweating, and there is one sister. She is everybody here. She's only sister in that OT, and she doesn't even know the steps of the surgery, right? What is being done. So you are asking her one night before, look, these are the instruments you are going to use, and there's a sequence. I will need the instruments. So when I call for something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. उससे ज़्यादा उसको बोलने से she would have got confused, right? And that's how the surgery went there. And I used to say, look, I've been doing surgery in a SMS Medical College, where there are so many residents and house surgeons and also your professor who is kind of with his hands above your head. That's a different issue. Working in this kind of compromised situation is absolutely a different experience, and those are my experiences which I see in the doctor who comes to join this, whether he's a surgeon or physician. He's coming from a very different setup. He's worked in a different kind of setup, and when he comes to us, we say, "Jab posting away, now you manage." Right? How many can actually get an environment like we were lucky to get? We don't know. So therefore, it's become so important that a watch is kept. And I think that's how I progressed, because someone was, I think, keeping a watch on me. Whatever was the reason, I don't know. But they did keep. I went to Western Railway, again, somehow, the CMDs or CMOs at the time were watching me, whether it was Dr. Sharma or A.P. Tandon or anyone. वो गुस्सा भी होते थे, क्योंकि हम भी कभी अड़ जाते थे. But I was lucky that I was never rubbed the shoulder wrong way, and was able to garner a lot of support from them, which helped me to really keep on progressing and having a variety of experiences, including a lot of accidents, what I attended, variety, fire, collision, you name it, and it was there. No injuries to severe injuries. Rushing down within 10 minutes on the stand, like everyone is doing it, right? I also used to do it. But it was always a new learning experience. Shamgarh mein, you were there, Dr. Rathod? Shamgarh tha, there was a camp, and the gynecologist or someone was supposed to come from Ratlam and they didn't come. There was something. And I was the CMS in Kota. They said, sir, 10 cases hain. We have to let go, because, and that time, cases करने का एक पूरा तज़ील था उस टाइम पे. I said मैं आता हूँ, but 8 बजे चलूँगा तो I would have reached around at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Now holding on to these kind of people was very difficult. So I rang up the operating person. Yes, I have camp है, वहाँ cases हैं, and I have to go. What should I do? And then record time, I have to reach. How will you do it? कहता सर 2 मिनट में बताता हूँ. Goods train is standing there. आप जाइए सर, goods train में. And can you imagine that goods train went like Rajdhani, without stop. I mean, I just told the driver कि तुम देखो मत चलाओ, क्योंकि तुम्हारे को सब ग्रीन मिलने वाले हैं. कोई सिग्नल आपको ग्रीन के वाला नहीं मिलेगा. और उसने वो चलाता गया, and शामगढ़ I think I reached in record time. उतर के सीधे makeshift OT में जाके जो भी सर्जरी करनी थी कर लिया. ये एक्सपीरियंस और कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला है, ever, right? And that stress and strain जो भी होगा, we absorbed it and we trained ourselves to live in it. Because suddenly you realize that you cannot survive alone. You cannot survive alone. When you are working, you'll have to work in a team. You'll have to keep people on your side, whether you like it or not. And progress, because progress is important. Because if you really make an environment which is not conducive, and if you are not able to progress, then that doesn't make any sense at all. It is better that you walk away from that situation. You will better not be in that situation. Life cannot be static like that. And therefore, at this time now, when I am supposed to getting retired, I am not retiring, right? I am leaving the railways because I cannot be kept in the railways because of the rules. So it is not a retirement, because when they say retired, the retired officer is to go to his house and stay there, have a cup of tea, and maybe do some gardening or look after the dog or chicken, maybe, I do not know, right? But that was retirement life, right? तो कोई पुणे में जाके सेटल हो रहा है, रिटायर होके, कोई मसूरी में जाके रिटायर सेटल हो रहा है. You know that people used to retire like that. But there is no retirement now. I mean, you can go to Mussoorie anytime, Pune anytime, it doesn't matter at all. You can go to Goa, or you can even retire in Europe also for that matter. घूमने तो कहीं भी चले जाओ, उसमें क्या है? Point is that you are not in the setup. So you are now getting transplanted to a newer circumstances. Like from Bada Bazar, I came to Garden Reach, to Bilaspur, to Kota, to Jaipur, to Mumbai, to Secunderabad. All different culture. I was just asking one person, Hadoti. You know, राजस्थान में आप 50 किलोमीटर चलते हो तो लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाता है. यहाँ मारवाड़ी बात कर रहे हैं और 50 किलोमीटर दूर में हड़ौती बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? और वहाँ से कहीं और चले गए तो कुछ मेवाड़ी में कुछ उधर कुछ जाओगे, एंड दिस लैंग्वेज आर डिफरेंट. और उधर अगर सवाई माधोपुर उधर चले गए भरतपुर की तरफ तो वहाँ पे कोई लठमारी लैंग्वेज है, राइट? If they talk to you, everyone लाठी मार रही है, but they are all in Rajasthan. So that's how the things change. I mean, the whole circumstances change when you are moving. So when you are working in Mumbai, it is different. When you are working in Secunderabad, it is different. It is railways, no doubt, but the whole culture is different. The culture of Western Railway and culture of Central Railway is different. Absolutely. I think even Eastern Railway and South Eastern Railway culture may be different, right? So a person is working, it's a new experience all the time. So after 28, I will have been working in a new culture, that's all. I will remain the same, I won't change. And actually I am enriched by experience, which I will try to translate. And there were a lot of activities to do, and I think that will keep me busy. ये तो श्योर है कि हाँ 24/7 और मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग वाला जॉब तो नहीं करेंगे. ये जो करेंगे वो करेंगे जो हमें इच्छा होती है. अभी भी हम तो वही करते थे जो इच्छा होती थी. इवन इन जॉब आई टू डू द सेम. लड़ा आता था, झगड़ आता था, अकाउंट्स वालों से बोल आता था. वो कहते थे कि आज वगैरह प्रपोजल कैसे भेजते हैं करके, राइट? वो भी करता था. बट देन आई कैन कीप ऑन डूइंग दैट नाउ and maybe more successfully done because the constraints won't be there now. But yes, challenges are there ahead, and I have to wish you all a very best for your future too, because I may be retiring, you may wish me for my future, right? But at the same time, I think I should also wish you all a very good future in whatever way the organization takes its shape, because it is a changing world, and maybe the content of the doctors will change. Maybe we'll have 80% contact doctors and 20% regular doctors. It's a possibility, right? Maybe you'll have to start thinking कि प्राइमरी को छोड़ दें या सेकेंडरी को छोड़ दें और क्या चलाएं क्या नहीं चलाएं. You know, these are again things change because of the dynamics of the whole society, the dynamics of the working areas, and how the whole nation is working. We are part of the Indian country like India, and these challenges will always be there. And I know the younger generation which is coming up and going to take the positions of CMDs and DGs and CMSs and MDs will be facing a lot of stress on that. But my advice is that change is going to be there. Point is, don't resist it. There is no sense in resisting, and maybe you have to work along with it. If you are not getting doctors from UPSC, you are not getting doctors from UPSC, right? If you don't have doctors in the health unit, you don't have them. Find a way. नहीं है तो outsource करो, ठीक है. I mean, I have started telling people, if you don't have a surgeon, why are you getting stressed? You can't do anything, right? Send your surgical patient outside because the patient will not suffer. That is for sure. We will have to give treatment to the patient. That is what our job is, and we'll do it. Our role may change, but then patient will always be there, and we'll have to look after. Do it. Don't stress out yourself at all on this issue. There is no sense at all because if you are stressed out, you will not take right decisions. You will be irritated. पैरामेडिकल से झगड़ा होता रहेगा, यूनियन से झगड़ा होता रहेगा, कलीग से झगड़ा होता रहेगा, कोई मतलब नहीं है. Modify the way you are going to run your system. Objective is one. You are there for the railwaymen and their health. Look after them. Like I said, maybe we'll have to now start focusing on home treatment. Let one beep instrument be given to all your patients of blood pressure. रोज उनको आप एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव दवा देते हो तो 10 साल में कितने लाख की दवा खाते हैं मालूम है आपको? फिजिशियन बताएंगे कितने लाख की दवा खाते होंगे हाइपरटेंसिव इन हिज हाइपरटेंसिव कैरियर, राइट? उसको अगर 2000 का एक ब्लड प्रेशर इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपने दे दिया कि आप जो अपना अपना मेजर कर लो और नोट कर लो, कोई इतने ऊपर से आ जाए तो बता देना. इट इज हार्डली, इट इज एक्चुअली फ्री. इट नॉट कम टू यू. I mean, why don't we gift it? Like it's a part of treatment, part of management. Giving such instruments. Therefore, home treatment like glucometers, blood pressure instruments are actually now being marketed commercially, right? People go and buy from the market. Let them not buy from the market. We gift it to them. They will feel really nice about it, right? Let them use their mobile or you use your mobile for transmission of data and your advice. Suddenly कुछ नहीं होने वाला उसको. कुछ होगा तो आपके पास आने ही वाला है. And all your interventional treatment or any diagnostic specialist intervention should come to you. It is a change, and this change will not come overnight. For this, you will have to motivate your employees also, right? But now they are also realizing. In some place they said, "Sir, we want regular doctors in Central Railway." Unions are saying, "We want regular doctors. हमारे same पे नहीं चाहिए." तो let them also give the answer. कि कहाँ से आएगा? In the board, in the last meeting, when someone uttered such word, one of the top leaders, I said, "First, अपने आप में discipline लाइए." He was so annoyed because he was comparing me with the R&R of army. कि साहब इतना बड़ा बड़ा अस्पताल खोलते, ये करते, वो करते. मैंने कहा आपको पता है, जितना serving soldiers है, officers है, they cannot go outside. They have to come to that hospital, whether they like it or not, and take treatment. Are you doing it? You start doing it, and we will have R&Rs all over India. Ultimately, hospital will be run because of the patients. And when the patients start coming in, everyone sees that more modalities will be there to hire doctors and consultants and everyone, right? Because that is the cheapest way we are doing, most reasonable way we are running the show. There is no other model which will actually can be run on what money we get as budget from the railways. Maybe insurance, maybe SAC, all models have been studied thoroughly. Someone has suggested, I have prepared the papers and given back to them. Look, if you want insurance to be introduced, you have to give me 2,000 crores more. Apart from 1,700 crores, what you are going to spend otherwise also. So your budget is going to go 4,000 crores. Proposal dropped. So it's each and everything. Ultimately, the conclusion has come and the board members are now convinced that the Indian Railway Medical Services will have to stay. And will have to continue, but they don't have that kind of, I will say, it's not because I am leaving, but my experience is because all my proposals are going into a spin, because who is going to bear the cat? The recruitment has to change, the emoluments have to change. I have suggested why all the specialists cannot get allowance, that no one is want to bear that cat, even for people like especially CMP. I said, give him a package of 15 lakhs. Doesn't matter. He will stay with you, he will work for you, right? It is happening outside, it will happen here also. You cannot say pay commission ने इतना पैसा दिया है, उसका average निकाला senior DMO को करके, and that is, I said, that is bureaucracy. But the reality is that he will not come to you for 40,000-50,000. He will come to you only if you are talking lakhs, because that is the demand and supply. If you don't do it, even my physician will go out, right? Because this is the reality and you have to realize that. If you don't realize now, then you will realize when the thing is over. And when a thing crumbles, then it's very difficult to hold it. So repair to right time में करना पड़ेगा. वो आएगा right time. I'm sorry that it didn't come in my time. I tried my best actually, and I went into a situation where it was like a loggerheads with a lot of people, and maybe I became a little aggressive because I knew that it is time to become aggressive. It's a challenge for the future, but all is not lost because we are still doing absolutely a wonderful job with our nation. The statistics and the number of cases we do and the number of patients who are coming to us is still mind-boggling. If you don't tell those data to any organization or any association where you give a presentation, everyone is surprised. No one knows how much work we are doing. Just like the Sixth Pay Commission, when they were told that this is the work we are doing and this is the cost of money, this is the money we are saving for the organization, they were equally surprised. Because no one has ever told people around, okay, look, what is our worth? And I think it's time that we have to introspect, we have to change our way and put value to the work we are doing and tell people, look, this is what we are, and stand upright, see eye to them and talk. हाथ के नीचे रख के बात करने की कतई जरूरत नहीं है, because nothing is going to happen. And I have told the board at a drop of the hat, if you don't respect these services, everyone can leave and still be gainfully employed outside. What you are doling out as passes, no one needs passes nowadays, actually. Right? Accommodation in very few places, rather, most of the doctors own houses now. They don't need your houses. What they need is respect, and a reasonable emolument. If you can't give it, then you better wind up. So, that message I think has gone home, at least with the present members in the CRB. Only thing is, we will wait for the change, which I presume will come soon. And dear friends, that would be my last word here on this podium in Garden Ridge as DG Health. And I would like to come again and again and again and again and again and again, because this is where I started my career and there are a lot of things with Southeastern. Though Bilaspur is now a new zone, of course, but still, attachment is still Southeastern. And,
Is your parent really, sir?
it is my parent, really, you're right. And therefore, if you need me anytime, I'm there. If you want to talk to me, I'm there. Even if you don't want me, I'm still there. So, I've got friends and friends and friends here, and I would like to keep my connection. So, all of you are welcome. I don't know where I will be, most probably in Delhi for some time, and then maybe Mumbai, right? But wherever I am, I will be in India, not abroad. And I will be with my mobile. My number will change to 98104 48950. So याद करने की भी तकलीफ नहीं है. वो 100 का 104 कर देना बस. That's all, right? And normally I pick up the phones, so there is no issue at all. If I don't pick up, send me an SMS. I'm so and so, I would like to talk to you. That becomes easier. But I will be there. If you feel that it will work, no problem at all. Thank you very much, and thanks for calling me here. And there's a beautiful weather outside. It's raining, but it's still beautiful outside. I've taken a lot of time. It's already 40 minutes I've been talking. Maybe half an hour, not 40 minutes. So we have to give way for all the artists who have gathered here to play this music. And the music will go on for us also. And I think you'll enjoy it. Maybe in a different tune, but you will enjoy it. Thank you very much.